Good morning, class. So, how are you? I hope that all of you are well and you did well in your examination. So, let's continue with the chapter, that is chapter number 5, e-commerce. And there's little change in your syllabus. We will discuss about that syllabus in another video. So, let's continue with the chapter, that is chapter number 5, e-commerce. So till now, I explained to you about the concept and the meaning of e-commerce. Second, about e-tailing, e-advertisements, its advantages, disadvantages, different terminologies which are used in advertisements. Right? So let's continue with the topics. Now next is your e-marketing. Now what is e-marketing? The concept is same. Okay? So basically e-marketing refers electronic marketing, okay. For example, whatever we do in a traditional marketing, we just go on the shop and we just give the money and in return we get the goods or services. In the same way, we do through online also. So marketing is a process, okay. So electronic marketing is the process of marketing a product, service on the internet. So when we do marketing, it is a process of marketing a product or service through internet. So here is the definition of e-marketing. E-marketing is a process of planning and executing the conceptions, distribution, promotion and pricing of products and services. Means marketing includes everything. Right? Means planning, executing related to the distribution, promotion and conception about that and pricing on that particular product or services. In a computerized network environment, such internet to facilitate exchanges and satisfy customers' needs. So marketing includes all those activities related to your products or services so that the provider can satisfy the customers. So it includes everything. Pricing, क्या होनी चाहिए, products का price, उसकी packaging कैसी होनी चाहिए, what are the techniques we are going to use for the promotion of that particular. So everything is included in your marketing. So whenever these things are done through internet or through online, that is known as your e-marketing, means electronic marketing. Clear? Now, e-marketing, also known as internet marketing, then your web marketing and digital marketing, online marketing. So please don't get confused if it is asked that define internet marketing, web marketing or digital marketing, online marketing. All these marketings are same. Okay, so don't get confused. So now I hope that you have understood the meaning of e-marketing. E-marketing is a process of planning and executing the conception, distribution, promotion and pricing of products and services in a computerized environment or network environment, such internet to facilitate, exchange and satisfy the demands of customers. So basically the most important objective is to satisfy the customers. Clear? Now, there are different types of e-marketing, right? Now, article marketing. Now, what is article marketing? Basically, article marketing, it is a type of marketing, okay? And when, for example, so article marketing is a form of marketing in which articles are strategically, in a proper way, strategically placed on the internet for the purpose of promoting specific website. So in this article marketing, you have seen on internet that different articles are given in a written form. There's different format for it. So if any basically producer or the marketer, the entrepreneur, they want that they want to promote their particular product or services, so they write article related to that particular product. वो article लिखते हैं and they do the promotion on internet. So it is a article marketing which is strategically designed. Okay. Next is affiliated marketing. Affiliate marketing means affiliated. Okay. You have heard about that. For example, YouTube. Okay. if you are watching any particular YouTube videos and they are just telling anything about any particular product or services, then they say that the links are given below, links दिए हुए हैं, आप उस पर visit कीजिए and you will get the particular product. Now there they are promoting that particular product. So now, for example, if this marker is there and this marker is promoted by a particular person, तो ये कंपनी क्या करेगी, उस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन से वो लिंक कर देगी एंड दैट पर्सन विल गेट द बेनिफिट, राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो, सो इफ आई गेट द लिंक of this particular product and then I will say if you want to buy this particular marker, you can just click on the given link पे आप click कीजिए, then instead of that I will get the commission from that company. इस कंपनी से मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा, commission, because I am promoting their product. Clear? So this is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means they connect. Okay, it is a performance based marketing. When you for example, whenever you want to promote any other company's product, so when someone buys through your affiliated link, then you get a commission. Clear? So commission मिल जाता है, that is affiliate marketing, means that is affiliate को attach कर दिया गया. Okay, clear हो गया. बहुत सारे आपने देखे होंगे कि if you want to buy this particular product, लिंक दिए हुए you can buy. उसके बदले उन लोगों को, उन यूट्यूबर्स को they get the commission. उनको क्या मिलता है, कमीशन मिलता है. Clear? Next is video marketing. You know very well that what is video marketing? When any individual promotes particular products or services through video, that is video marketing. Video marketing के through. Next is email marketing. You get different types of information about the particular product or services on your email. Okay, on your inboxes of email. So क्या होता है, we just go and click and we get the information about that particular product or services. So that is email marketing. Now blogging. Blogging क्या होता है? What is blogging? Basically blogging is a place where the people give their ideas about a particular theme or about a particular products or services. वहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, उस blogs में they write just like an article, वो लिखते हैं, right? So in blogging also it is now trending way of e-marketing. इसमें भी क्या करते हैं कि particular product से related information दे दी जाती है. Blogs आप सुने होंगे कि blogs are given, अगर आप कोई particular product ढूंढ रहे हो या किसी चीज़ के बारे में लिख रहे हो तो blog लिखा रहता है. So different information are given in that blog, that is given by different individuals or person or entrepreneurs about that particular product. So these are the different 5 types of your e-marketing. ये अलग-अलग तरह की e-marketing. Clear? Next, what are its advantages and disadvantages? Now, how this e-marketing is different from your traditional marketing, right? This is important thing, that why we prefer this e-marketing? What is the need? And how it is different from the traditional marketing? This question arises. कैसी है different है हमारे traditional marketing से? So let's see its advantages, that how it is different from your traditional marketing. Okay. First is global reach. Global reach means basically you can get the things worldwide. कोई भी चीज हमें आसानी से कहीं भी मिल सकती है, right? So in global reach, the business firm can build customer relationship all over the world. So in this, the entrepreneurs or the business firm, they can build a relationship with their customer not only within a country but outside the country also. Means it is a worldwide, right? Next is round the clock. Round the clock means internet provides 24-hour facilities. Okay, 24/7. So services can be used by the users. Okay, ये use किया जा सकता है 24/7. Customers can shop or order products, services at any time. Selling is not restricted to a few hours. Now, for example, if we are doing the traditional marketing, so the time foundation is there. Time क्या bounded होती है, right? But when we are doing through internet, तो internet के लिए कोई boundation नहीं है. If I am interested, I want to do marketing. I have 1 AM, then I can go for it, right? So it's my wish. So there is no time foundation in this. 24/7, you can do the marketing. Okay? So that is the second advantage. customers can get up to the minute information on each visit. Business firms can instantly update their registered customers or subscribers through SMS or email. For example, if we visit a particular website, they ask for our phone numbers or email. So we just type our email or phone number, whatever. So we get the updates about that particular products or services or through SMSs or through mails, different types of medium, right? So हमें क्या होता है, different media से सारी information about that particular product we get. So that is latest information. हमें तुरंत latest information होती रहती है. और traditional marketing में क्या है? We just go, हम देखते हैं, सुनते हैं, फिर it takes time, right? तो हमें क्या हो रहा है मार्केट में, कैसे हो रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा हम अपडेट नहीं हो पाते. But through internet we get the updates of that regarding that particular products or services. Next is cost saving, right? There is no cost of spreading the message. Many social media sites such as Facebook, Google and LinkedIn allow free advertising and promotions, right? So here the person or the business firms can save their cost, because through internet, we on Facebook, on different social networking sites, the business firm can advertise their products instantly and without paying any cost. बहुत आसानी से अपने products को वो बेच सकते हैं. Next is instant reach. अब cost saving क्या होगी? अब ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग में क्या होता? ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग में हमें ट्रांसपोर्टेशन खर्चे देने पड़ते, फिर हमें उसके डिफरेंट जो लेवल्स हैं, अलग अलग जगह पे जा रहा है, हो सकता है कि अगर बेंगलुरु से आ रहा है, जम्मू जा रहा है प्रोडक्ट, तो बहुत सारा ट्रैवलिंग अलाउंसेस, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमें पे करनी पड़ती. तो यहाँ पे क्या, वो सारी चीज़ कॉस्ट खत्म हो गए, राइट? फिर बीच में एजेंट्स को देना पड़ता है, मिडिल मैन्स को देना पड़ता है, वो सारी कॉस्ट क्या हो गए, खत्म हो गए. नाउ इंस्टेंट रीच. Instant reach means whenever an e-marketer launches a sale, customers can start shopping at the discounted prices as soon as they open their email. Sometimes instant reach means आपको तुरंत चीज़ें पता चल जाती है. अगर जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी क्या है, सेल सीजन स्टार्ट होने वाला, सो एवरी टाइम यू गेट द पॉपअप्स एडवर्टीजमेंट्स, राइट, ऑन योर मोबाइल्स, ऑन योर स्क्रीन. सो पॉपअप एडवर्टीजमेंट्स आ रहे हैं दैट अबाउट द सेल्स. सो क्या आपको तुरंत इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल रही है, और एंड यू कैन क्लिक, you are getting the messages through emails also, SMSs मिल रहे हैं, you just click and you can do the shopping and you can get the discounts. तो easily instant reach, थोड़ी आसानी से लोगों तक पहुंच जा रहे हैं, right? So this is also the advantages of your e-marketing. Next is direct approach. Direct approach means a company like a law firm, online magazines, other information sensitive business can deliver its products directly to customers. It needs not use a courier. Now here direct approach. Now the customers, business firm to customer, B2C. Now here the business firm can directly connect and make a relationship with the customers. There is no need of the middleman or the agents. यहाँ पे क्या है, डायरेक्ट अप्रोच हम कर सकते हैं. जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है, द बिजनेस फर्म्स, दे कैन डायरेक्टली अप्रोच टू द कस्टमर्स, डायरेक्टली अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. व्हाटएवर दे वांट, द मैगजीन्स और डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ थिंग्स, दे कैन डायरेक्टली अप्रोच टू द कस्टमर्स. इसमें कोई मिडिल मैन की जरूरत नहीं. अब ट्रेडिशनल में क्या है, प्रोड्यूसर यहाँ प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, देन आफ्टर दैट फिर उसको प्रोड्यूसर, मैन्युफैक्चरर, देन फिर वो मिडिल मैन के पास आ रहा है, एजेंट आ रहा है, उसको ट्रांसफर कर रहा है, फिर होलसेलर, देन रिटेलर, इस तरह से बहुत सारे एजेंट्स इन्वॉल्व हैं. तो डायरेक्ट अप्रोच नहीं हो पाता है इन द ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग, बट इन दिस दे कैन डू द establish a direct relationship with the customers. So these are the advantages. Now you know that if there are advantages, then disadvantages also, because everything has two faces, plus and minus. So हमने advantages देखे. Next start with the disadvantages. Disadvantages क्या है? Next is disadvantages. Disadvantages investment. It requires lots of investment. Right? Money is required for the website design, hardware, software, site maintenance, In addition, there are online distribution costs. So it requires lots of cost because you need proper setup for computers and everything. Okay, then you need different types of software, then you need internet connection, then designing of that particular website, everything. So it requires lots of investment purchase. Next is no live interaction. No live interaction means, for example, right now, whatever, I am explaining the topic, but you are just watching this video. Is there any live interaction between us? No. You are just listening to me, right? If you have any doubt, you cannot ask right now. Can you? You cannot. So यहाँ पे क्या live interaction हो रहा है? नहीं हो रहा, right? So live interaction से, so in the same way, some customers they like to do the physical types of marketing. For example, market गए, वहाँ पे देखा प्रोडक्ट, देखा नहीं ये नहीं अच्छा लग रहा, दूसरा दिखाइए, नहीं इसमें कैसा है, ये है वो, all those things they can directly ask the questions and everything, they can argue whatever. So basically there is no live interaction between the sellers or the customers. एक live interaction नहीं हो पाता है, right? Next is regular updating. So in this it is necessary to update the information on the website. It is very important for the business firm to update the information regarding the services or the goods on that website. हमेशा update करना है उस particular products or services related जो भी information है, that is to be updated on that particular website. It is very important. Next is security concern. Now the last disadvantage of this is e-marketing, that it concerns security. Many people do not want to share their credit information due to the fear of information being stolen and misused. Sometimes some people they are not interested in sharing the information regarding their cards. Okay, either debit card, credit card, whatever the card they are using, they are not interested in sharing the information. So security concern भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. For example, many people are there in your rural areas बहुत interested नहीं होते online shopping because they is not trust. Okay, basically they are not able to find the right solution for the right things. और ऐसे सिचुएशन में क्या होता है, उनको नहीं पता होता है, डाउट्स बहुत क्लियर होते हैं, तो उनको लगता है कि शायद सेफ नहीं है, ओके, ट्रस्ट क्रिएट नहीं कर पाते हैं, फेथ क्रिएट नहीं कर पाते. तो ऐसी कंडीशन में क्या होता है कि दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग और ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग. ठीक है, सो दीज आर द सम डिसएडवांटेजेस, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर ई-मार्केटिंग. E-marketing, clear, it is an electronic marketing, okay, and there are different types, 5 types of your e-marketing: article marketing, affiliate marketing, video marketing, email marketing, and blogging. Next, these are the advantages: global reach, round the clock, latest information, cost saving, instant reach, direct approach. Next, disadvantages: investment, no live interaction, regular updating, and security concern. And this is all about your e-marketing. I hope that you have understood this topic. Okay, we will continue with e-security in the next video. Thank you, and thank you so much for listening.